So what I wanted to do, I wanted to simplify this with the spawnable like I wanted before. Inclusive. Start size. Column. I need to set this column good color. Okay. No, it doesn't work. Maybe it should be okay. Yeah. Let's leave it like this. Font size. Color. Unnecessary assignment. Get color. Oh. Why? Oh, because color only assigned and used here. Okay, I see. Let it be. Color. Start. And color length. Alright. So now I'm gonna complete this whole block, but first let's deal with the fonts, I guess. And let's copy this to project resources. Assets. It should be in assets. Yeah. Assets fonts. And let's edit. And then I forgot what I have to do next. I don't really remember when I used custom fonts last time. Font family. Wait. Oh, no, wait. Yeah. Okay, let's try. Okay. and family. And you hope. Not sure if it'll work. Oh. And you hope regular font style normal. Okay. Okay. Bar layout. Does it really have font family? No. Let's just restart. Maybe I did something wrong. Let's just start and see if it works. Maybe it just doesn't work in preview. Um, and you hope, and you hope. Oh! Properties, Android search, properties. It should be Android resource. Which one? This one. Is it okay now? Invalid file path. Font under resources. And it also has to be Android resource. And let's move it to resources. Access denied. Already exists. Okay. What's going on? Okay, let's close solution. Watch. Where is it open? Finally. Properties Android resource. Properties Android resource. Okay. Now it must work. Compile, I mean. Invalid file path. How so? Why is it invalid? Fonts. Okay. fonts, and you hope regular. Okay. All the good removing bin and obj folders. That fixes most of problems. Again, a folder named font and resources. Okay, let it be font. Let it reference font. Oh, it should be font, not fonts. I hope it will fix the issue. No. Okay. Maybe it has to be applied here. Or maybe actually has to use style. No, this. Okay, let's go with styles. Oh, maybe it should be just regular and apply it here. Okay, let's avoid using styles. New hope regular. No. I guess I have to go with styles. It doesn't work. Android resource, a new hope, a new hope. Can it just be applied to text view at least? Why is it not displayed? Oh. For family. It works. It works for regular regular font for text view, but it doesn't work for toolbar. Maybe I have to apply for both. And okay, let's put it in title text appearance. Oh. Let's see if it works. Yes, it works. Hooray! Yes. Good, good. All right. It has to have space. Serial list in model. Title serial list. Okay, let's get back to serial list. Oh, we need to add another font. Ergo. Okay. Let's also install them. Now we need to reference them. Need to create new font family. Oh, I think we can just... Okay, let's create a new file. What is font style? Font style. Keyword, define font style, font stack, normal, okay. Oh! Um, She used 700s everywhere for regular, ergo. And 500s for medium. Okay. It's gonna be ergo what? Medium, right? Android resource, Android resource, Android resource. I guess it's not generated yet. Let's reload then. Yeah, it seems to be applied. Okay. Let's go with copy paste. Oh no. Copy pasting. And not just copy pasting. I also wanted to change margin left from here to margin right to here, because it will be lock icon, meaning it's passworded server, and that icon could also be not presented if it doesn't have a password. So we will switch with visibility setting in future, and it will disappear and reappear. And if we leave left margin and make this item disappear, then server name will have that margin, but it shouldn't have margin when first item is not presented. So text view shouldn't define the margin. Image view should define margin. So when image view disappears, it also makes margin disappear together. And then server name doesn't have margin and is bound to left side. Okay, let's add next line. Next line is map name, I think, and it should be regular. Wait, this is supposed to be regular and this is supposed to be medium. As it was designed. Yeah, this is regular, this is medium, but they have different weights. Regular has higher weight, so it looks fatter, and medium has lower weight, but they look vice versa here. Let's see, maybe it's just preview. It must be text. Server list item view model map name, and we don't need any converter because map name doesn't have colors. Map it's actually not map name, it's map file name, because map names have colors, but map name is not sent by server. Server only sends map file name, so users can load maps. So we actually don't know what name that map has. So let's see what's eight, 9, 10. All of them have different margins between, and which one to use. 9, 8, 9, 8, 10, 8, 9. I guess average is 9, so I'm gonna use 9. Okay. Since it's not completed, that graphics design, then I'll definitely change those values, because I also have to change icons not ready, etc. Layout, margin, top. It's gonna be 9. Oh wow, it looks so big. That's what she said last night. Is it same big? No. I think that's because it has some inner padding inside. So when this that margin is counted until till baseline of text, and this margin is counted to some offset from baseline. Okay, let's use something like 5. I don't know. Okay, let's leave it like that for now. Map name. What's next? Next is players. Oh, and it has to share with pink. And how to text players. Is it players? It's players. Players, and pink has to be here. Oh, I know what I can use. I I can use wait. It doesn't change anything. Okay, I can use layout weight for linear layout. I need to create another one. It will match parent by width and wrap content by height, and it will have orientation horizontal like this one, so it's horizontal, horizontal, I don't know. Horizontal, and we move our guys here. And we'll have a copy. What? Oh, yeah. And we will define layout weight and give it 1, and give it 1 as well. So they're equal in weight. 1 and 1. And wait, what? Yeah. Oh, and let's make it something more readable. Serial name, map name, players, oh, let's say like something like 16 of 32. Server name, oh no, it's not, it's ping, let it be 32, bound to ping, is it ping, players, ping, game type. Okay, need to set gravity. So icon and text are aligned by center vertically. If I undo, you can see icon is moved a bit higher, and if I set things back, then icon and text are aligned by center. And they are aligned by center in this vertical layout. You can see its bounce. So center vertical for this layout, for these and these items inside this layout. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. And we need the same thing next. And it's gonna be a game type and status. CTF game type. I guess I'll just create a game type value converter and status value converter. Oh, I'm using string. Okay, let's convert game type here. Game type switch case FFA return FFA what? Can I just reference it? No. Oh, it's because it's, yeah, it thinks it's a property, but I need to use type, and type is defined in JK client namespace. JK client type. I could name the property differently, but let's leave it like that. Case. What's next? Holocron. Return holocron. Case Jedi master. Return Jedi master. Case dual. Return dual. Case power dual. Return power dual. Case single player. Return single player. Has anyone seen single player game type ever in multiplayer? I haven't. Team return. What are game types in this game? Let's check. Return team case siege. Siege really goes before CTF. What? Why? Okay. Case. Oh. Switch. CTF. Capture. Let me see how they actually code capture flag case. Capture the Xamarin. Free for all. Team is Team FFA. Oh, I see. Jedi Master, Holocron. Captures the Salamiri. Game types from JK2 are not listed in Jedi Academy, but they exist. They're just not listed. And default is going to be FFA. So yeah, game type will be game type. And statuses will be I think they'll be converted correctly. I hope. No need to make any converter. Okay, let's get back to serverless item. Status connected 32 CTF game type status. Let's launch it, I guess. Okay, but need to switch medium and regular. It looks so thin. Why? Okay. I know. Yay. Does it count ping correctly? I don't see any ping less than 100. Oh, I see. But I'm on Wi-Fi, so maybe that matters. JK last. Refresh. Oh, also I have to make proper conversion, because oh, it's really big. That's what she said. Okay. Java. Yeah, it has to be some dots. Oracle. Yeah, Oracle has some quotes and inverted question, and it's a non-symbols. Yeah, I need to make some proper conversion. I think I've seen some proper conversion somewhere. Oh yeah, what's the ping? Really 100 to Oracle. I have 55 here. It's invisible, but okay, let's try to deal with the conversion. I'll try to use something that I've seen, something like UTF UTF. Eastern European, and it's really to expect it. I guess, where is it used? Somewhere in events? Yeah. I guess I have to Google this. It's Windows. Oh, maybe it's defined in. Let's stop it. read string as string. Okay, let's Google then. Oh, get encoding is internal. Okay. I guess I have to replace this everywhere. Get bytes. Yeah, get string. I only need get string. Not big. Appearances. Config string. Configs. Why? What? Why am I getting it as a string? Command get string. Yeah, I guess I'll have to replace everywhere. Okay, let's try start from here. Right, and see if it works as needed. About that's what she said. Oh yeah, euro sign. Euro. Okay, I need to launch the Academy to compare. I need to also add some sorting. Siege. Open. It's dot, it's a unknown symbol. But it's euro here. Okay. Free for all. OCS. Oh, I know. In Jedi Academy, when you use 9 or 8, they actually invalid color codes. But since JAMP default engine, vanilla engine has some bug, then 9 is drawn as red and 8 is drawn as black, because they are cycled in memory, and when you reach 7, then you go 8 as 0 and 9 as 1. So that's why 8 is drawn as black and 9 is drawn as red. I guess I have to implement those key codes as well. Oh, need to check other symbols, need to find Oracle. Han, old boys being boys again. It shouldn't be euro sign. It should be just dots. I don't know. Like this. Why? Oh, Pandemonium Siege. Oh, I think Pandemonium is with battles. It's weird. It's not. It's wrong. It's wrong symbols. Okay, let's look at Oracle. Oracle is... yeah, Oracle is drawn running as well. Look, it has to have inverted question sign. What encoding is this? I could try Cyrillic. Let's just Google what encodings Windows have. Latin, Central, Western European. Maybe 1252 would work. Oh, I wanted to add color codes, right? Color text value converter. 7. 8 and 9. Case 8. Case 9. That's it. Okay, let's see. It encoding. Again, euro sign. That's wrong. Now it has correct colors on this OCS. It was white before. Oh, yeah. Oracle has no correct inverted question. Then it's correct, I guess. Council of the Lost Free Fall. It has some, yeah, multiplication sign and dot in the end. Need to find more weird looking symbols. Nice ping. 300, almost 400. That's all. Where are all those multi-dot servers? ESP dot what? ESP dual of temp. It's another one. It's Siege. Wait. I just realized all of them low-cased. I don't see any high case name. Why? Server browser. Global servers. Oh, I think I know the issue. Server info? No. Info string. I need info string. Where is info string? Set info string. Oh, right. Key to lower. Oh, I used to lower for the whole string instead of just keys. I see. I wanted to make it optimized, you know. Yeah, that's it. Instead of applying this to key only. Okay. Thanks, LG. Yeah, now it has higher case names. Looks better now. But still to have that euro sign instead of dot. I think it's somewhere very inside in the game deep inside there is something like converting some unknown euro sign to dot. I don't know. I think euro sign. How old is it? Oh, it's old. It's older than the game. Okay. Oh, I couldn't find this Duel of Tempests with dot in the end. Where is it? Siege, get new list. Duel of Tempest. I cannot see another Duel of Tempests. I guess Jedi Academy just cannot draw those symbols. Why so high ping? Oh. Oh, not all. Looks okay to me. Alright, let's make navigation to chat page. I'm not going to make chat today, but at least I'll make navigation. Okay, let's minimize, let's add new view model called, let's make new folder. Chat. Let's add new view model. Chat view model. It will be base view model, but it also has to receive a parameter, and that parameter is public abstract base view model, some parameter. Oh, class, I forgot to define class. This view model MvvmCross view model parameter to result. Let's go with parameter. T parameter. T parameter. It will inherit from MvvmCross model and interface, and actually inherit from base model. Implement interface. Prepare. Why abstract class have to implement it? Let the inherited class. Do I have to just mark those abstract? Okay. Okay. Looks fine. And chat view model will let it just receive view model server list item view model. It will have some internal prepare, implement abstract class. Let's implement it. Title parameter server name. As we see in our graphics design, chart will have server name as title. Okay, let's store internal server info get let's set and just assign it here. Okay, internal means that I can access this property only inside this project, inside this assembly. When I access this view model in this project, I can access public properties like server name, but server info won't be visible in Android project, and so iOS in the future. That means if I make it public, then this project will say, I don't know, server info definition, because server info is defined in JK client, and if I make it public, then JKChat Android will ask to reference this assembly as well, but this project shouldn't know about model. So view model knows about model, view knows about view model, view model model, and view shouldn't know about model. So as reverse, model doesn't know about view model doesn't know about view, something like this. Okay, so let's navigate, try to navigate, and it will be achieved in serialistic model. When we click on selection changed command, navigation service. Again, I'm typing server service navigate to navigate send an item as parameter. Oh, I mean not item, server list item VM, new chat. Oh, not new, it just have to be, wait, navigate server, no, we navigate to chat view model. And we do this asynchronously. Oh, it accepts command, or it accepts task. What? It accepts function with 2 parameters? What? Oh, I think it has to be hard to think. It accepts function with a server list item as parameter and task. Okay, I see, yeah. And task as a returning value as yeah. So then it has to be like this, I guess. Item? No. View model navigate. Oof. Navigate T parameter. T model T parameter. Oh. TV model T. Oh, that's it. Yeah. TV model and T parameter. Wait. Chat view model. Item. No. Oh, has to be like this. No. Okay, I don't understand. Oh, right. Server list item view. Two parameters are used in navigation. This? No. Maybe just this? Yeah. Because navigate is a function that accepts serverless item VM and task. Okay, so we navigate to chat view model, send in item as parameter, and item as parameter will be one of items that we click, and clicking will be use selection changed command, and we need to bind this command, and we got to do this in server list page. Server list page. So together with bind items, we bind selection changed command. It's a property of binding, and selection changed command is our property. They are just named the same. This is our property, and this is our property. This is property of MvvmCross, and this is property of MvvmCross. Here we bind item suits items and clicking on item, this command, and this command receives item, because items property is a collection of serverless item view model. And when clicking on this command, then this command will receive the same item view model. So we assigned to this selection changed command a command that receives this item, and this item when received, it's passed to navigation. That's it. And then it's passed navigation and passed as a parameter. And when then we navigate to the chat view model, and that parameter will be received in prepare a method, and then we just assign title. So now we have a view model. Now we have to create view for that corresponding view model. It has to be fragment, chat fragment, and I'm a bit ahead. I need to create layout first, I guess. New item. Android layout. Chat page. Let's just copy layout from here, from server list to here, but without recycler view. Yeah. Let's just try to navigate here. So we have chat page, and we can go to chat fragment. Serial list fragment as a reference. We have to use this fragment presentation and chat fragment. We're gonna use base common fragment. Oh, I wanted to rename them to base fragment. Let's rename now. We have base view model and we have to have base fragment. And common activity as well. Base activity. Base fragment. Chat fragment. Presentation. Main view model is a base of all navigations. Content frame that is defined in main fragment, in main activity main. Yeah, that content frame, and that content frame is used to draw our pages like server list page, chat page, etc. Let's remove title. You cannot use tools. Is it actually valid? No, but yes, I don't know. Okay, chat fragment. It's drawn in content frame. It has it's added to backstack. It means backstack, right? Activity host view model type, fragment content ID, and add to backstack. Yes, third parameter is add to backstack. That means it will be added to history, so we can click in. It will add back arrow to navigate back, and clicking on back button, system back button, it also will do navigation back. back to previous page, and that previous page will be added to history, to backstack, so called. And yeah, we need to create a constructor that passes resource. Oh. That passes to base constructor. That fragment has chat fragment constructor, and send to base constructor that base fragment. It sends resource layout chat page layout. It's defined here, layout. That's all, I think. No? Oh yeah, I have to define what view model we use. We use chat view model. Yeah, now it's good now. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it seems working, and clicking on that item, nothing happens. Did it say any error about selection changed? Failed to create target binding. Then it's called differentially, not selection changed. Maybe it's item selected. Item click, okay. Item click. Selection changed command property is used in iOS. Item clicked or item click? I think it was item click. Yeah. As I explained yesterday, it shows error trying to render this view, MvvmCross view. It cannot render because it's a custom view. Okay, I'm clicking and nothing happens. Selection changed. Unable to bind source property not found. Oh, I know why. Do you know why? Seriously, it has to have at least get. Private site property. Yeah, it has to be a property. Everything has to be property. Property means it have to be a getter and setter. At least getter. Yeah. Right. Let's look at some hints. Yeah, get set. Oh right, I could simplify it. I wanted to simplify it yesterday. No, I want to do a quick action in refactoring. Use expression. Please offer me. Use expression. Yeah. I need to use expression everywhere. Control dot. You're almost right. Smart robot. It's just code style and nothing special. A bit more modern code style. And base V model. Yeah. And title. No. Oh, it already has expression body. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, it now has a getter. And it should be good. Oh. Oh. It doesn't show back. Why doesn't it show back? Okay, I guess it has to as you can see, title is also not colorful, and I bind title in base fragment. Can I just put it here? Wait, what? Yeah, and I can use expression now. And set toolbar. Yeah, I'm creating binding here, and I can just apply it with conversion. I can either use named conversion like text color, wait, it won't work because title is string and we need title, we need attributed, we need spannable text, spannable string. We don't need just simple string. Does action bar have something like spannable title? Oh, it finally spannable, nothing spannable, and it even doesn't have references. I guess I'll have to use custom view for title, because it has this little icon. It has subtitle, but subtitle could be set, get back to, yeah, subtitle could be set here, but since I also have that icon, I have to use custom view for this title, this connection status icon, connected, subtitle. Yeah, I guess I'll use this. And let's make it. Layout for chat title, let's call it like this, chat title. Android layout, chat title, add so let's look at layout. It's gonna be, yeah, it's probably gonna be two linear layouts. One linear layout to place title and subtitle together with the status icon, and second layout will be to place those two guys horizontally, so it will be linearly placed icon and subtitle. So first is vertical, and second is horizontal. It matches parent by width and drops content by height. And let's copy some server list item. Let's copy some text view. Let's copy namespaces. Lines 1, font family, taxonomatic title. It will be bound to title. It will have size of styles. Toolbar title. I have to remove this. It has to be a New Hope regular. And server name seems fine to me. Then it goes linear layout with the two children. First will be just view. It could be image view, but image view is a bit richer than view, and we can just set that icon as background in view, because it's not actual icon, it's just a circle, and we can define a circle here. No, it has actual sizes, 8 by 8, so it's gonna be 8 dp and 8 dp. Yeah. And it's gonna be text view, sized as 12. So we're gonna use toolbar title, and let's have some theme called toolbar subtitle. Subtitle to have color toolbar title colors. I need colors. Toolbar title, toolbar subtitle. Color is 82, 82, 82. Then we apply that color to subtitle. Oh, I mean its name. Subtitle size is 12 points, 12 sp, and font ergo medium. It's medium. Yeah, as we found out in here, this is medium. Yeah, ergo normal 700s, ergo normal 700s. so it's medium. I'll go medium. Okay. Then we're gonna just use this. So it applied color but didn't apply size. Wait. I don't understand. Toolbar subtitle. Oh, right, I have to. I'll go regular. And then I won't need to I won't need to explicitly define size. And medium, actually not medium. Oh, it's so tangled. Regular. No, the rest are regular. Seems like styles are not applied yet. And back to chat title. Yeah, I have to define orientation. It's gonna be horizontal. Also have to define gravity. So items are aligned. You can see that view is put in the top left corner, but it's supposed to be aligned by center with server name. So I set gravity like center vertical, and view and text view are aligned by center now. Okay. Okay. It is just text. It will use some status, I guess. And we have to define that status. List chart view model. Where's chart view model? Chart view model. String status, or even connection status. Yeah. Status. Is it defined? Yeah. My properties. Oh, it's status, and property is higher case because it's public. Public properties are usually defined higher case, and public protected internal higher case, and private are defined lowercase, starting with lowercase. If it has second word, then it's camel case. Second word starts with the high case letter. So it's status, status, data types has to match, else it shows error. We'll just set property reference to status, setting value, and that's all. Name will be name of status. And status equals parameter status. Looks okay. And that is a bound here. So, but that's not it. What? It has some margin between status icon and status. It's 4. So let's define some margin. Margin left 4 dp. I guess no need to set margin between status and yeah, let's rename it to status. Should just connect between status and title because it counts margin between baseline, top baseline and bottom baseline, but it counts sizes from container and this container, and container is a bit bigger, so I guess for now I just leave it as is. And let's create drawable for status icon. It's gonna be XML, something like connection or just connected background. The color of this will be shape circle, oval, colors, connected. Connected background, color connected. Radius, we don't need radius for a while. Yeah, that's all. And we apply this connected background to chat title, background, drawable, connected background. Oh, right. It's not counted yet, but at least it could be auto-completed. Okay, so I need to now find out why back button is not drawn. I guess I need to Google this. Oh, I think it has to be somewhere in base activity. Set com true. Home. Okay, let's see if it works. Yeah, it shows back button. Cool. But it doesn't navigate. Great. And what if... No, don't restart. Telling them to not restart, but they restarting. Really? It also shows back button in serial list. Okay. So at first I have to go to chat view model, chat fragment, in on create I have to find search view. Oh, what search view? Title view. Wait. so it passes us some view. Okay, title view. This binding inflate. Resource layout. Chart title. No. False. What don't you like? Need to okay, and action bar custom view. It's just toolbar. Activity. Action bar. Custom view. Title view. My favorite part of programming is copy-pasting from Stack Overflow. But it's just icon. Activity. Base activity. Title view. Oh, I know. Show custom. Show every platform has their own. Yeah, it works, but it draws weird colors. And yeah, going back, it left that. Oh no, it shows correct colors. Cool. But need to fix that navigation And also action bar is action bar. Wait, why is it a struct? Action bar abstract class. But why does it have question? Base fragment should define action bar. No need to profile. Just action bar. Action bar. Get activity action bar. Yeah, that's it. Just get. Yeah. So going back to chat view, chat fragment. We'll just use action bar as a property inside base fragment. So when write resume false true protected virtual void display custom title and I will write it in chat fragment without doing anything, so it will be empty. And what we'll have to do with back navigation? Base activity. This. Oh, I have to use support everywhere because it's defined in under X. Okay. Okay, I see. I see. Set support. Okay. Toolbar. And the toolbar has to be where is this one defined under the widget? And is it app_compat? If no, then it will be. Okay, let's try again. Again, exception. No? Inflating. So it can inflate under X coordinate layout, but it cannot inflate under X app_compat widget. What it says again? Can I select? Maybe I have to clean and rebuild. I think it won't help, but let's try anyways. I guess I have to have MvvmCross and X activity. Closed. Merged. And oh, oh, platform Android views. I guess I then don't need just that toolbar. Serverlist activity main. Okay. Should be fine now, I hope. And again it displays back button. I have to add some margin on the right so it doesn't go to screen bounds. Where is Oracle? With fancy inverted question. Oh. Okay. Oh, let's compare with the UI. Yeah, I think margin between title and subtitle is a bit bigger. Like, let's say 2 points. Unfortunately, on Android you cannot use actual margins between texts because on Android texts are placed in containers, so you cannot make margin to base lines. You have to make margins to containers, and containers are bigger. Chat title. That is a container. As you can see, on the top of container there are a lot of space. Yeah, let's add some margin top 2dp. Yeah, you can see it's a bit offset. And I'm a bit upset that back button is not present. Margin right. I'm creating margin right in parent. I'll create actually padding right, so it will make space on the right for children. And I'm using padding, so it will be applied for both children. And I don't need to add margin right on text view, margin right on linear layout, or margin right on another text view. So I'm just using padding to apply spacing to children. So it's gonna be I don't know, 20. Mm. 20, yeah. So on the right side it will be 20 as well. I cannot count here because here we can see back navigation button. No. Scrolled, clicked, went back. It again scrolled to top. I don't like it. It's supposed to remember current scrolling position. I think I fixed it back in time somehow. I think I need to define ID server list page. I need to define ID for this add plus ID recycler. Yeah, and after defining ID, it shouldn't scroll. to serverless page. Server ID to this scrolling item recycler view fixed the issue with the always scroll to top after navigation. So I navigated, went back, and it scrolled to top again. And now it's fixed, it doesn't scroll. Yeah, weird solution, but it works. Support. Action bar. Oh. Where is the up? Up. This. Where is? Oh. Support. And activity. As a week's activity. As base activity. Okay. It works. It now works. Really. Oh, it works. I guess every solution will work now. Okay. But it didn't apply style for toolbar. On options item selected. What value of this? No value. Huh? Okay. What if I just say return? Oh, I mean true, or just on back rest. But how to apply style then in activity main? Title text appearance. It has to be app. Okay. App base activity. I don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need this. Base fragment. I probably don't need all these. Probably don't need options menu. Okay, let's see if it works. Yes. Styling on server list works. Going back works. Yeah, boy. Interesting name. Does it has free for all. Let me find this server. FF. Oh, it just so many dots in Jedi Academy. Okay. I guess I'll try to make chat tomorrow. Let's see. Also, probably UI will be finished tomorrow. My girlfriend told she's gonna do that. It's done by her. So yeah. I don't remember if this back button is finished or not. If it's finished, then I will just export it. This icon, then I will apply instead of this black one. If it's not final icon, then it will be some another icon, I guess. And then icons next to server info will be also changed. Finally decided. Yeah, colors for every status of connected, disconnected. Alright. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.